What's up, very cool gang? Welcome to the channel. Today we have a little something. It's an enveloping. Stay tuned. We're gonna get this thing undid. So a good friend of our channel and very cool gang member, his name is Wealro, had this sent over to us. It's from BA Image. I guess BA stands for big article? I don't know. I have no idea. So, he had sent this over and he went to a lot of trouble because it seemed that the postman wasn't able to deliver for some crazy reason. I don't know what it was. I don't know what it was. The postman just couldn't. Wealro, if you could let us know what they said over on Amazon, down in the comment section below, let us know the reason why the postman couldn't deliver this. Cray. So, but he was very adamant that he wanted us to make sure we received it. He went the extra mile, contacted Amazon, the post office, the mailman, all kind of people, so we would get it. Let's get it open. He said it's something little, something special. And we quite whoa. It says VCG, tool test, raw, live. Look at it. Unbelievable. All you gotta do is read that word backwards. And that's what it says. Because we're not gonna say this word anymore. We're just not gonna say it anymore. We're a peaceful, loving channel with a great community. And we all wanna talk about peace and love. So we won't say it, but we will hang it up on our totem pole over there. And we want to say thank you to Wealro for sending this on over. He's a great friend of the channel. He's also a YouTube creator. Make sure you're going on over, checking out his channel. You can find a link over here to his channel. Go check him out, because he's an awesome, very cool gang member. I'm gonna hang this up right now. Should I hang it up on camera or should I do it off camera? What do you think? Hang it up on camera? Good talk, Nick. So once again, we want to say thanks to Wealro for sending that over. It made my day. We appreciate you very much so. Also, if this is your first time to the channel, this is the first time you're seeing this type of stuff, the Very Cool Gang does things like this all the time. And we try to reciprocate by doing things that the community wants to see. We do giveaways. So if you think that that's pretty cool, and you know some people that you think would belong in this community, share this video with them. Help grow the Very Cool Gang. With that, I want to say I appreciate every single one of you being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you on the next one. Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.